म्हणटा तूं जाणा इरेग्युलरिटी जाली काय ना लोकांक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा मागीर पुलीस येयलो मागीर पुलिसीन सांगिल्लें वील ड्रॉ अ पंचनामा एंड देन वी वील टेक एक्शन एज पर वॉट एवर लॉ इज अकॉर्डिंगली ते क्रेन आहा ती तेंगे अटॅच केली आनी पंचनामा ड्रॉ केला एंड वी हॅव केप्ट पुलीस आय टोल्ड द पुलीस आज आल्या कांय जावपा जायना टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रात्यान तूं आनी कितें केलें जाल्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घे म्हणून
सोकस नोटीस धाडून तेणें मागीर रोखडी इश्टे हाडली इश्टे आनी ही मॅटर आतां कोर्टा आहलोली कोर्टा आसतना तेणें हें सारकें केलें ना म्हणून हें राती काम चालू करून हें बरें प्रॉब्लेम एश केलें आनी आमकां सगळ्यांकूच त्रास दिले गांवचे लोक बारबो आसून बरें जालें आनी गांवच्या लोकांनी फूल सपोर्ट केला आमकां आनी तेका लागून आमी सारकें कितें आमगे कायद्याचें आहा तें आमी एक्शन तेजेर घेतली.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Gaon Ghar Rakhon Manch in a meeting on Saturday said that Goan youth should be the future planners and leaders of the state. They said that youth should take active part in resolving the problems of the state.
The meeting was held to discuss the challenges that the villages will have to face while drafting the Regional Plan 2021.
Every time when we call out to the people from the village, we find mostly the middle-age group and the senior citizens coming up forward and giving very valid inputs. But I think today what we are fighting and what that we are doing is more for the youth, the children, the next generation coming up. So for this reason, we need the youth to come forward also, because if the youth is there, this is the future generation which needs a very strong hand, the strong hand you can say, to rule the place. And these youth need to be the leaders now. We don't need to be leaders, because this is the age for them to be leading us and helping us to go forward. This is your place, this is your home. So you have to live here, so you have the right to decide what you want in your village, in your Goa, in your state, and put this to the government. It will be very good now, because if they don't come up now and don't wake up now, tomorrow don't say that we have done nothing for you.
Various other issues were also discussed with regards to regional plan. Member of Gaon Ghar Rakhon Manch, Abhijit Prabhudesai briefed more on regional plan.
There are some very critical legislative changes which need to take place, which have not been addressed for quite a few months, in spite of the task force giving very strong recommendations for these changes. These involve the TCP Act, Goa Panchayat Raj Act and the Municipalities Act, in order to bring them in line with the 73rd Constitution Amendment. Also, there are legislative changes required in terms of ODPs to be scrapped, so that those areas which were under ODPs should be under the regional plan, so that the whole state of Goa has one coordinated plan. It's very important. The third thing is Section 16 and 16A of TCP Act were brought in, and which actually took out government projects from the purview of RP 2021. This is also completely against the principles of people's participation, and must be, these sections should be revoked, the amendment should be repealed, and the people's participation should be given the respect it should have.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
With an aim to examine the pros and cons of country's political system, Department of Political Science of Goa University and Indian Council of Social Science Research Mumbai organized a seminar on elections, cabinet formation and party politics in India at the International Centre Dona Paul.
The seminar was held with the motive to analyze the dynamics of elections and cabinet formations, to examine party politics and inter-party power struggle in the last 2 decades. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President Subhash Shirodkar was present as the chief guest.
I think this conference, maybe here in Goa or any part of the country, I think we have to be a little more towards this sort of, I would say a little sort of visionary thing.
Panchayat Tantra, a book by Aureliano Fernandez on empowering governance through role definition, was released at the seminar. The author spoke on his book Panchayat Tantra.
The book Panchayat Tantra is actually an achievement of a decade of engagement with local governance, both in terms of research as well as advocacy.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Harshvardhan Bhatkule and Rajiv De Silva won the prestigious WhizBiz quiz show on Saturday, organized by Goa Institute of Management. The quiz contest saw some of the toughest questions answered by participants and also by the audience. Here is a report on this special business quiz.
Ad for which brand and brought out on what occasion?
It was for Christmas.
And the brand?
And the brand was
Look at his face.
Gillette.
Perfect! She's worked it out. Give a big hand. It is Gillette. Okay?
They all answered the quiz, but the battle was between 6 teams who battled out their best in the final of WhizBiz 2009. The 6 final teams were comprised of Fomento Group, Infosys, Synapse, Xavier Fair, Bombay Ducks and Feni Vidi Vinci. The quiz was conducted by well-known quiz master Avinash Mudaliar. But it was team of Xavier Fair, Harshvardhan Bhatkule and Rajiv De Silva who showed their best and won the coveted quiz show. Infosys were the first runner-up. This is the 9th year Goa Institute of Management organized this quiz show. Many teams took part in the preliminary rounds of the quiz from various corporate houses from Goa and other cities. Earlier in the day, Avinash Mudaliar briefed media person on various aspects on quiz. According to Avinash, the knowledge is supreme and more important than money.
Quizzing is not about money. Quizzing is about people. Quizzing is about knowledge. And knowledge is power.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar and Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.